How to recover Zangi account. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can still recover your Zangi account. So since you no longer have access into the application, what you want to do is to use any available web browser on your mobile device. And from there, just simply type in Zangi support. So it is usually located at the very first result that will redirect you into the contact tab or the help center of Zangi. So simply choose on that. And then on the next page, make sure that you still remember what name you use or if you use company name. And the most important thing is the email address that you use on your Zangi account for you to still have a chance to recover it. Input these necessary details, scroll down a bit, and you can choose to have it sent out directly into your mail or from your email. And then on the message tab, make sure that you state why the account was deleted or maybe banned, or just simply input the reason why your account was not accessible. Hit on send, and you should be able to have a response from the support team. And that's your last resort for you to be able to still recover your Zangi account.